as you know, my name is Mehroz. This is the first day of Dubai, so I am really enjoying it over here. And today, I'm going to show you the Burj Khalifa. I'm going to show you what's up there. I'm going to show you the fountain show, and you're going to have a lot of fun looking at everything. I'm even going to show you the mall and everything over there. So let's get started. I slept in my hotel, and today is the next day in the Burj Khalifa. So the entrance for the Burj Khalifa is from the Dubai Mall. Right now we're in here. We got a sticker for Sky VIP. We're gonna go to the very top. So right now this is the entrance, and we're gonna go in. Now we're entering the Burj Khalifa, maybe a few excavators up. I'm getting very excited because if there's no Burj Khalifa, there's no Dubai. Because Dubai is one of the best structures and the tallest structure and the best things you could ever explore in Dubai. So I'm getting super excited. We're almost to the Burj Khalifa. This was when the Burj Khalifa was getting structured. The structure had started. 2007, they reached up to level 100. In 2007, they reached level 150, which is the world's now tallest building. Level 160, world's tallest man-made structure. Finally, in 2009, the cladding had been completed. This is the whole view from here, and we're about to see the fountain show. Did you know if you fell from the Burj Khalifa, it would take you 25 seconds to reach the ground, which is a lot. So we made some pictures at the Burj Khalifa. We had fun over there. We saw the view, and now I'm pretty hungry, so we're gonna eat something. Now we're done for the top floor of the Burj Khalifa. Now we're gonna go to the bottom floor. Okay, now we're going to 125. So that's the view for floor 125. This is the floor 125. So these are the elevators to the ground floor. So this is a very good view. It's also as good as the last one, which was 146. So this is a very fun time at Burj Khalifa. I can see many buildings over here. And I wonder what's the view in the morning, but the night looks pretty good. And I'm very excited to try the VR experience. So I'm going to tell you what's happening while I'm in the VR since I have my mic on. So he's just putting the ticket code, and then I can put on my headset and the little game console like this, so I can move my hands and climb up.
Slowly down, down. 3, 2, 1, go.
That felt so good. At first I went to the on the top of the Burj Khalifa, so I got some grapple hooks. I started climbing, and then I got this grapple hook. I started shooting it. I went to the top, and after I spread my wings, I fell down. I pointed at the Burj Khalifa, and then the game ended. It felt so realistic. So if we go, that's the wait, what? It says the world. So what's this? Now we're gonna go one level down, which is level 124. Let's see how it's gonna be there. So this is glass view of level 124. So it's open from the roof. There's no roof over here. And if you come over here and look up, you're gonna see the rest of the Burj Khalifa. That's level 124, where you see there's now we're going back to the ground floor since I have my Sky VIP sticker. So everyone is going to be going downstairs from the elevator. So yeah, I'm going to see you at the ground floor. Then we came into this, to this, and then here. 458 meters. This is how it looked like when it was 565, 621 meters. And this is this is how it's like now, with 820 meters tall. That was the final result. These are all of the workers which made the structure, the old building. Every one of these.